acephysics.org, Math and Physics Tutoring with Dr. Hudis. I'm in Beijing, China for the summer. I'm studying on an NSF fellowship, and it's a fellowship to study physics in Beijing, and I'm studying at the Chinese Academy of Science Institute of Physics. It's one of the best physics institutes in all of China. It's equivalent to MIT or Caltech in the United States.
Married couple want to sit together.
So I'm just arriving in Beijing. I had, I think it was 18 hours total in transit. I didn't sleep. The flight was pretty good. It wasn't that bad. Someone smoked in the bathroom, set off the fire alarm, so that was, I guess, the excitement.
He's guessing.
I'm about to go to Starbucks for coffee in the morning. Right now I'm at the Temple of Heaven in Beijing. It's my second day of my research in China. Yesterday was a little trying because it took me over an hour to get a cab, and the first cab that I did get didn't pick me up because of my language skills. I found that the Institute of Physics, the Chinese Academy of Science Institute of Physics, where I'm going to be studying this summer, is about 1.7 miles from my hotel. So I decided it's best to walk there every day and not have to deal with the craziness of getting a cab and the public transportation. So today I'm going to walk to work. Right now it's about 7:30. I think I'm going to have a great day. I'm going to do a lot of work, get a lot of reading done, get some research done, and learn how they do science in China, and just see what I can do and make the most out of my day. Before I leave, I'll give you a little tour of my hotel room. This is the hotel room that I'm staying in. It's actually, it's okay. It's nicer than I was expecting. Here's the first hard part. I have to cross the street. Okay, so my walk took 39 minutes, which is really not that bad at all. And now I'm at the Institute of Physics. I just need to go find where my building is located. Okay, I was wrong. That was not the Institute of Physics, so it's going to take more than 38 minutes, but I'm going to keep looking. I'm close. It's day 3 of my research in China, and right now I'm working in a small nanofabrication laboratory, which is, I guess, run by Professor Lee. I just learned very briefly how to do the exfoliation method for PDTE2. That is a topological superconductor that I'll be studying over the summer. Exfoliate thin layers of this material using the so-called Scotch tape method, which won the Nobel Prize a few years ago when somebody used it for graphene. And you can, so that's taking very thin, it's taking this material and putting it between 2 strips of tape and ripping off very thin layers. And the reason this works is because it's a quasi two-dimensional material, which means there are two-dimensional layers that are very strongly bonded together, and they're separated by layers with very weak van der Waals type interactions, and so you can rip off very tiny layers in one direction. Mica is a material like this, and several other materials you may notice where if you break them they cleave along one edge. You can break it very easily with your hand in one direction, but in another direction it takes an incredible amount of strength. You can't do it with your hand to break it because the atomic bonds are so much stronger in one direction than in another. I'm not sure exactly what I ordered, but I think that the Colonel would definitely be doing backflips in his grave. So, here's my meal. Okay, this stuff here is actually really delicious. Not really sure what it is, but this is absolutely delicious. It's like a curry.
Just call me Gao or Fan, whatever.
Okay.
上南孤冈蟹. Go ahead.
My name is Shigang. I'm in the fourth year of my PhD.
This is Gao. Hey. Hi. You this is a dilution refrigerator?
Yes.
This is a so Xu Yang is working on a very nice dilution refrigerator. This is goes down into the ground, right?
Yes.
It goes down. How cold does this get? To what temperature?
The lowest temperature will be 10 micro.
10 micro Kelvin.
Yeah.
Micro. Good night.
Yeah.
It's 9 o'clock. I'm leaving the lab. They don't have a gym anywhere in Beijing, so I've been trying to do about 200 push-ups 3 days a week. Try to stay in shape, make sure I don't get too weak while I'm here for the next 2 months. Get about 6 sets of 30, and my first set of 30 for the day. This is a 4th of July party in Beijing. Hello, I'm Dr. Jacob Hudis. If you need math or physics tutoring, please go to my website, acephysics.org, and book a lesson.